Hello and welcome. Front-end developers often work with user stories that describe how the application should behave, including user interactions, validations, and UI logic. Before writing actual code, they need to plan this behavior carefully using pseudocode to ensure accuracy and alignment with the requirements. But manually drafting pseudocode for every scenario can slow things down. With Copilot for DevOps AI, you can generate clean, structured pseudocode directly from your work items, in the language of your choice. Let's take a look at how it works. We have a user story in Azure DevOps. The title and description are already filled out with the form validation workflow. Now, we'll open Copilot for DevOps directly from Azure Work Item. Go to the Generate feature. Select pseudocode from the Generate drop-down menu. Next, choose the input fields from the given drop-down menu. This tells Copilot which parts of the work item it should analyze. Then, open the Programming Language drop-down and select JavaScript as the output format. You may select any other programming language. Next, click Generate. Within a few seconds, Copilot for DevOps generates clear JavaScript pseudocode that outlines the entire validation logic based on the requirements in the work item. Once the pseudocode is ready, you have three options to use it. First, click the Copy button in the bottom right corner and paste it into any work item of your choice. Next, you can create a new work item by clicking Create Work Item. Fill in the form to select the work item type, the field to populate, define the link to the original, and click Create. Next, you can add it directly to the current work item by clicking Add to Field. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the target field and whether to insert the pseudocode at the top, bottom, or replace the existing content. Here you can see that the existing work item is updated. Now, if your next step is testing and you want to generate a test script using an AI, you can switch to test script from the Generate drop-down. Select your test framework, for example, Playwright. Next, click Generate. Copilot for DevOps will read the same work item and generate a Playwright test script that reflects the logic described in the user story. This can be used by your QA team or added directly into your test automation pipeline. And that's how Copilot for DevOps helps front-end teams move faster, by turning requirements into structured logic and test scripts without starting from scratch. If you're ready to speed up your planning and development process, start your 15-day free trial of Copilot for DevOps today. Thanks for watching.